Hey, I'm making the simplest of simple shelves. So I have this pile of scrap plywood, and I just, my little girl's into Legos. She needs a place to display all of her finished products. So I'm just gonna make a simple box. These were already cut, so I guess watch me assemble it, huh? All you need is your pieces, some glue, and some brad. So I'll just run a bead of glue. I'm just putting these here to hold my piece up. Watch your fingers. 3/4 inch material, so I'm using 1 3/4 inches. And I'm just pushing out the back so it's nice and flush. About every 8 inches, I'm going to drop a brad. And when you're holding the piece, if I'm shooting down here, you're tempted to hold down here, but brads can pop out the side. I have a video of me getting stuck, where I shot myself, so you just have to be aware. A little more glue bottle maintenance, I don't know what the heck. Sometimes it's handy to have 4 arms and 6 hands. And put the end caps on, so you need to glue 3 sides. Just gonna glue them and set them. This one's gonna go right in the middle. I like a nice smooth glue bottle. This one's making me angry right now. But I'll have it up and running here in a minute. Alright, same girl. Brad Naylor. Same Brad Naylor. Square it up. Gosh, all of these are well within the allotted margin of error. But I just like them really flush. I like the Ryobi brad. It's got this little notch right here. Lets me know right where it's going to fire. I know straight down from there, and that helps me keep it from angling. That's my basic show. Now all I gotta do is put a base frame on it so you don't see the multi-lines. People like the plywood look. I wanted this to be a little bit cleaner. So, I know this is the thickness of my plywood. Easiest way to do it is to put it up against your blade, loosen the fence, slide it up tight, make sure it slides in there, and that's exactly this way. You're gonna be right in the way. Can't wait. Just gonna square up the factory ends of the board right here. And then I'll take it over to my piece. It's lazy man's way, so you don't have to measure. That's my mark. Next time I'm gonna stop and fix the glue bottle. Nice thing about having 2 brad nailers is I can keep one loaded with 3/4. That is the worst. If you only need a 3/4 inch brad and you forgot you had an 1.5 inch brad in there. This stuff will split the 1/4 inch, so you don't want to brad right. You want to be about 2 inches from the end or this will crack. Oh, Legos that are gonna go on this baby. Ooh, it's gonna look nice.